Green Motion Car Rental car honest review. Watch before using. Most people choose rental companies based on price alone, but you won't believe what happens next when you rent without reading the fine print. Green Motion is a global car rental company focused on eco-friendly vehicles and lower emissions. It operates in many airports worldwide and often advertises very low base prices. Here's the surprising truth. Green Motion's low prices can be real, but they often come with strict policies. Insurance requirements, deposit amounts, and fuel rules are tightly enforced. Most people get this wrong. They think their basic insurance is enough. At Green Motion, you may be required to purchase extra coverage or provide a large deposit if your insurance doesn't meet their criteria. Another common issue is vehicle inspection. Damage policies are very strict. You must inspect and document every detail before leaving the lot to avoid disputes later. Green Motion is best for experienced renters who understand rental agreements and want to save money. It may not be ideal for first-time renters or travelers who want a simple, stress-free process. The surprising truth is that Green Motion can save you money, but only if you follow every rule carefully. Subscribe for more honest travel reviews that help you rent smarter and travel safer.